Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to a place where myth and reality collide, where whitewashed villages cling to dramatic cliffs and the sea holds secrets of an ancient past. Get ready, because we're exploring the breathtaking island of Santorini, Greece. Picture this: you're standing on the edge of a caldera, the vast, deep blue Aegean Sea stretching out before you. All around are iconic blue-domed churches and cube-shaped houses, cascading down the cliffside like a waterfall of sugar cubes. The sun is warm on your skin, and a gentle breeze carries the scent of salt and bougainvillea. This isn't just a postcard. This is the everyday magic of Santorini. But to truly understand this island's soul, we need to look beneath its beautiful surface, deep into its volcanic heart. You see, Santorini as we know it today is the remnant of an enormous volcanic explosion that occurred thousands of years ago. Around 1600 BC, this event, known as the Minoan eruption, was one of the largest volcanic events in recorded human history. It was so powerful that it blew the center of the original island, then called Fira, completely apart, creating the giant sea-filled crater or caldera that gives Santorini its unique crescent shape. The cliffs you see today aren't just cliffs. They are the sheer walls of a massive ancient volcano. When you walk through the villages of Fira or Uja, you are literally walking on the edge of history, on layers of ash and pumice laid down by that cataclysmic event. The eruption didn't just shape the land, it buried a thriving Bronze Age civilization. Just south of the modern village of Akrotiri, archaeologists unearthed the remains of an astonishingly advanced Minoan settlement. It's often called the Minoan Pompeii because, like its Italian counterpart, it was perfectly preserved under a thick blanket of volcanic ash. Walking through the excavated site is like stepping back in time. You can see multi-story buildings, intricate frescoes depicting scenes of daily life, and a sophisticated drainage system. It shows a society that was prosperous, artistic, and highly organized. Unlike Pompeii, however, no human remains were found, leading experts to believe the inhabitants had enough warning to evacuate before the final, devastating blast. Where did they go? That remains one of history's great mysteries. And this is where the story takes a fascinating turn, connecting Santorini to one of the world's most enduring legends, the lost city of Atlantis. The ancient Greek philosopher Plato wrote about a powerful, advanced island nation called Atlantis that angered the gods and was swallowed by the sea in a single day and night. His description of Atlantis's circular island with a central mountain, advanced engineering, and a sudden catastrophic end bears some striking resemblances to the story of ancient Thera and the Minoan eruption. Could it be that Plato's tale wasn't pure fiction, but a memory of this real-life cataclysm passed down through generations? While there's no definitive proof, the theory is captivating. Standing on the edge of the caldera, looking out at the submerged crater, it's easy to imagine a lost civilization resting beneath the waves. But let's come back to the present day, because modern Santorini is a destination that truly lives up to its legendary status. The island is divided into several enchanting villages, each with its own unique character. The capital, Fira, is a bustling hub of activity. Its narrow, winding streets are packed with shops, cafes, and restaurants, all offering jaw-dropping views of the caldera. You can reach the old port below by taking a traditional donkey ride or, for a more modern approach, a cable car. It's a vibrant, energetic place that perfectly captures the lively spirit of the Cyclades. Then there's Oja, perched on the northern tip of the island. This is the village you've seen in all the famous photographs. It's renowned for having one of the most spectacular sunsets in the world. Every evening, crowds gather to watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery shades of orange, pink, and purple. The moment the sun disappears, the crowd often breaks into spontaneous applause. It's a collective, almost spiritual experience you'll never forget. Oja is also quieter and more romantic than Fira, with art galleries, boutique hotels, and charming little alleyways just waiting to be explored. Beyond the main villages, Santorini offers a diverse range of experiences. For history buffs, besides Akrotiri, the site of ancient Thera on Mesar Vuno mountain offers a glimpse into the island's post-eruption history. It's a bit of a hike, but the panoramic views and the ruins of temples, a theatre, and a marketplace are well worth the effort. And what about the beaches? Because of its volcanic origins, Santorini's beaches are unlike any other in Greece. You won't find endless stretches of white sand here. Instead, you'll discover beaches with unique volcanic colors. There's the famous Red Beach, with its towering rust-colored cliffs and dark sand. Then there's Parissa and Perevelos, known for their long stretches of black volcanic sand and lively beach bars. And for something a little different, Kamari Beach offers a family-friendly atmosphere with a beautiful promenade. Each beach tells a part of the island's geological story. No trip to Santorini would be complete without indulging in its incredible food and wine. The volcanic soil, rich in minerals, gives the local produce a unique and intense flavor. Be sure to try the fava, a delicious puree made from a local type of split pea, and the sweet, cherry-sized Santorini tomatoes. And the wine Assitico, the island's signature white grape, produces a dry, crisp wine with a distinctive minerality that perfectly reflects its volcanic terroir. A wine tasting tour at one of the local vineyards is an absolute must-do. Many of them are perched on the caldera, so you can sip on world-class wine while enjoying world-class views. One of the best ways to experience the full grandeur of the caldera is from the water. Taking a boat tour is an essential Santorini experience. Most tours will take you sailing across the caldera, stopping for a swim in the hot springs near the volcano's new crater. Yes, the volcano is still active. You can even hike up the crater on the island of Neakamini. The tours often include a stop at the neighboring island of Thracia, a quieter, more traditional version of what Santorini might have been like before the tourist boom. And many end with watching that legendary sunset from the deck of the boat, a truly magical moment. Santorini is more than just a beautiful destination. It's a place where you can feel the immense power of nature and the deep echoes of history. It's an island forged in fire, preserved in ash, and reborn as a paradise. It's a living museum, a geological wonder, and a feast for the senses, all rolled into one. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, watching the sunset in Oya, or swimming in the shadow of a volcano, Santorini has a way of capturing your imagination and staying with you long after you've left. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual trip to the stunning island of Santorini. I hope it's inspired you to add this incredible place to your own travel list. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let me know what you found most fascinating about Santorini. Until next time, happy travels.